Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be swatching some liquid lipsticks for you guys. I will be swatching these Morphe liquid lipsticks for you guys. I have 6 of them, so if you would like to see these swatches, just keep watching. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today what I have for you is some lipstick swatches, and they're gonna be on like these 6 Morphe lipsticks that I got. They're the matte liquid lipsticks, and I noticed I've been picking them up slowly, but I noticed that their packaging is different, because the only one I did have from Morphe was this one, which was Peanut, which was, it's a really old one and we really need to get rid of it. But I wanted to compare it to the new one that, I mean, it's still Peanut, but I got it again, it's Peanut, but like I said, the packaging is different. So yeah, the packaging is actually really beautiful. Look at how pretty the packaging is. So pretty. All of them look like this. So pretty. So I was really curious to see if the formula was the same, and it's exactly the same. The only thing is, since I always loved this one, I just never went back to get more. So since I saw these and actually got, like, I think it was like 4 of them on sale and 2 regular price, so it was pretty nice. So I'll be doing some swatches on these. I know these are not new, but they are new for me because I didn't have any. I only, like I said, I only had this one, the Peanut one, but this was just like their old packaging. So yeah, I don't think that one's good anymore, so I need to get rid of that one, because I already got me some new ones, because I really needed some also. I decluttered a lot of my lipsticks because some of them are like really old, so I threw them out. But if you would like to stick around and see the lipstick swatches, well, we'll get started. We're gonna get started with the lightest one that I have, which is this one, Virgin. This one is Virgin. So it's like a little, like a pale rose pink. Like, it's really light in color. So we're gonna get started with this one. This is what it looks like. So yeah. Next up we have Taunt. Taunt looks like this. This is Taunt. Jealousy is up next. Jealousy. And this one's it's more like on the pink side. Like a mauve pink. One is True Story. Yeah, True Story, and it looks like this. This one's more of a, this one is more of a brown with like orange. I don't know, it looks like a brown orange, but I really like the color. This one actually I did wear it. Next up, we're gonna go with Peanut. We're gonna do Peanut next. This last one is Nibble, and I think this is the darkest one I got. And this is Nibble. That is it for this video, guys. What I did notice is that in the lighter shades, like where the lighter shades like Taunt and Virgin, I did notice they were a little bit more streaky, and you had to do a couple of swipes to completely cover the lips. But other than that, they all were really comfortable because I have worn some of them already, and they do wear really comfortable. And honestly, they're really perfect to wear them. Like, I say they're like mask proof perfect, because right now with masks, honestly, I'm not even wearing that much lipstick. I'm not wearing lipstick at all. But if I would want to wear a lipstick, it would be matte, because it's more likely to stay put under your mask. So yeah, but out of all of them, my favorites have to be Nibble and Peanut, because those are just like fall perfect colors. Love those two. And if you enjoyed it, please like, share, and like I said, comment down below your favorite lipstick. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.